And I want to say this because this is so important. When you're looking for stocks to buy, always do your own research.
Welcome to today's guide on stock market investing, where we'll be exploring the valuable insights of Brian Kim, a seasoned American hedge fund manager. Whether you're new to the stock market or just looking for ways to sharpen your investing skills, this strategy will help guide your journey to financial success. Let's begin with a simple question. What exactly are stocks? Imagine you own a business and want to raise money to expand. You don't just go to the bank for a loan. You open up your business to investors by selling a portion of ownership in your company. That's where stocks come in. When you buy a stock, whether it's in Apple, Microsoft, or Tesla, you become a small part owner of that company. While your share may be tiny, you're still an owner. And as the company grows, so does the value of your stock. This ownership is what makes stocks an exciting way to build wealth. Now, how do you get started? The stock market is simpler than it may seem, but first, you need an online brokerage account. This account acts as your gateway to the market. Once you've set it up and transferred money from your bank, you're ready to buy stocks. There are plenty of online brokerage accounts to choose from, many with no fees and even sign-up bonuses to help you start investing at no cost. The key to success in the stock market is buying stocks in solid, stable companies. When these companies do well, the value of your stock rises. And if they're profitable, you might even earn dividends, passive income that gets deposited into your account without any effort on your part. Brian calls this money making you money, a concept that makes investing incredibly appealing. But how do people really build wealth through stocks? According to Brian, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy, but there are a few popular methods to consider. First is the buy and hold strategy. This approach involves purchasing stocks and holding onto them for years, even decades. It's a long-term investment that requires patience, but it allows your wealth to grow steadily over time. Next, we have traders who buy and sell stocks frequently, hoping to profit from short-term price changes. While it can be profitable, trading requires experience and knowledge of market trends. So it's better for beginners to start small and gain experience before diving into active trading. Then there are speculators, those who invest in smaller, riskier companies with the potential for large gains. This method is high risk, but can lead to significant rewards if done right. However, try not to fall in love with any single stock and avoid over-investing in one place. Lastly, dividend investing is a method that focuses on buying stocks that pay regular dividends. Many investors reinvest these dividends to buy more stocks, creating a compounding effect that leads to wealth accumulation over time. It's the essence of passive income, and successful investors are big fans of this approach. So what should beginners focus on? Brian recommends starting with larger, well-established companies. These stocks are less risky and provide a solid foundation for learning the stock market. So, are you ready to begin your stock market journey? If so, watch this video by Brian Kim.